Hello mga kabudi! We're going to eat tamarind. Fresh tamarind. The sweetest tamarind in the world is in Thailand. So look at me. Hindi masira yung mukha ko kasi hindi siya maasim. Very sweet. Yan.